Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Design Pro Training of the Illustrator CC. In this tutorial, you will learn what is an anchor point and what is the path. Whenever we want to draw any shape or object using pen tool, pencil or brush, it will have some joining points. Like in this rectangle shape, you can see these small points. When you click on it or hover your mouse at this point, it indicates the name of this point. You can see these points are called anchor points. In Illustrator CC, we will work on two kinds of anchor points. Number one is corner points, number two, smooth corner points. With corner point, we can change the direction of the shape. You can see in this rectangle, when I click on this corner point, I can drag it anywhere independently, and it's changing the shape and direction of this rectangle shape. And if you look at this heart shape, and this is the corner point at the middle of this heart, you can see I can change the direction of this heart shape. You can see with the help of this corner point. Smooth corner points are usually at curved shapes like circle. When I click on the anchor point, you can see this tangent line with it. This line is called handles, and we can handle the curvy shape with these handles. If I click and drag this handle upward, you can see the shape of curve is now changing its direction. Mostly when we create shapes or objects, they will have combination of corner points and smooth points. Like the heart shape, you can see at the center tip and at the bottom of this shape, it has corner anchor points. And at the sides, at the curvy sides of this shape, it has smooth corner points. This is called combination of anchor points. When we create shapes or objects in Illustrator CC, the lines and curves are called paths. Like when I click on this straight line, Illustrator CC automatically indicates me that it is a path. You can see the name. Okay. In Illustrator, you will work on different paths. Open path. An open path is a straight line with start and with end points. For example, this line is an open path. Closed path, a closed shape which has no open endpoint, and as a whole all the shape is closed, so this is called closed path. We can also open this closed path and delete any anchor point from this path, and also add and subtract anchor points from the path. We will learn about this in other tutorial. In the last, we have compound path. When multiple paths overlap each other, or when we add a shape to other shape and subtract a shape from a shape, they will become a compound path. Like this shape you can see. Okay, let's create a compound path. I have a circle and I have a rectangle. I'm going to add this circle in this triangle. And first of all, I'm going to show you the properties panel. You can see in properties panel you can see the object type. So I am selected rectangle, so I can see the object type is rectangle. Okay, now I am going to add this circle in this rectangle, and I want to subtract this circle from this rectangle. Okay, after this section, when I click and select this object and go to properties panel, now you can see in properties panel it shows me that our shape has been now converted into a compound path. I hope you learn a lot of things from this tutorial. See you in the next video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.